The sun was high in the sky when a shepherd, herding his sheep, heard an incredibly strange, pitiful sound. From afar it seemed to be just a pile of earth, but the sound made him think. Deciding to investigate, he moved closer and found that it wasn't just a pile of earth. It was an elephant that had apparently gotten bogged down in the Moody in an effort to reach the nearest lake. The elephant's strength was clearly running out and it could not free itself. The shepherd realized that his hands alone would not be enough to pull such a mighty animal. Help was urgently needed. He called a tractor from a nearby farm by radio. It was a long wait, but finally help arrived. The tractor driver could not believe his eyes at first, seeing the elephant in such a predicament. But there wasn't much time to think. With the help of ropes and a powerful tractor, they began to carefully pull the elephant out. The task was not easy. The machine could hardly cope, the wheels were slipping, but finally, after several attempts, the elephant was on dry land. Immediately he was offered water, which he drank greedily, and given some vegetables for reinforcement. The elephant's look of gratitude said it all for him. The man breathed a sigh of relief as he watched the elephant slowly but surely headed towards the lake. He knew that this day would forever be etched in his memory as the day he had not been indifferent and had done his best to save the life of this majestic creature. What do you think about it? Be sure to share your opinion in the comments below this video. Friends, please support my young channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episodes on the channel about our favorite animals, my dear viewers. See you soon.